The boys in blue have won the Amlin Challenge Cup. Leinster are the Rabo Direct Pro 12 champions for the 2012-2013 season.
Terrific throw to line it again. Jordy Murphy, look at that strength from Jordy Murphy. He's almost through the entire Cardiff bag.
Fair Shane, oh Madigan, Asha Shears, one shot lost gonna kick.
It's presented once again. It's McGrath once again.